IMAP and POP3. Just what is the difference between Internet Message Access Protocol and Post Office Protocol when it comes to your email? If you want to know about IMAP versus POP3, have I got some information for you. The experts at Brightbox Solutions created Help Desk Premier and know how to answer technical questions of all kinds, like IMAP versus POP3. This video has the scoop. Let's watch.
IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, and POP stands for Post Office Protocol. Both of these protocols are used for email retrieval purposes. Specifically, they process the transfer of email messages from the server to an email client. The POP email retrieval process goes like this. When you click on the Receive option in your email client, it will connect to your remote email server. It'll retrieve all mail and store it locally as new mail, and it'll also delete those mails from the server. The exception to this is if the email client is configured to keep mail on server, in which case the client will just disconnect. The IMAP email retrieval process goes like this. First, when you click the Receive option, the email client will connect to the remote email server. It then pulls the user-requested content and caches it locally. Then it disconnects from the server. There are several differences between IMAP and POP. The two protocols generally operate on different ports. Essentially, POP is a one-way communication path, whereas IMAP offers two-way synchronization between server and client. POP is sufficient if you're accessing your mail using only one device, such as your PC. IMAP is a protocol of choice if you need to access your email from multiple locations, for example, both from your office workstation and your notebook or tablet. So, what are the pros and cons? The advantages of POP. POP will download emails without leaving copies of them on your server. This keeps the space used on the email server low. The other advantage is that mail is stored locally and is always accessible even without an internet connection. A connection will only be needed when sending and receiving emails. Now, the disadvantages of POP are, since there's no remote server copy, if data is lost from the location where the email was downloaded, no email recovery option will be available and all your email will be gone. If you intend to use a single email account configured with POP, but want to use multiple email clients on multiple devices, some emails will be missed, since there's no synchronization between server and the devices or clients. Now let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of IMAP. IMAP is often preferred in many cases. In the IMAP protocol, emails are stored on the remote server and therefore are accessible from multiple different locations. IMAP can take a little time to download and synchronize emails from some remote servers, but it's a flexible, more reliable, and more complete email retrieval method compared to POP.
Now you know! Next time you have technical questions, find easy answers with us and share us with your friends. Here's a question. What's the most important aspect of your business? Is it research, product development, sales and marketing, profit and loss? Well, it's none of those. It's customer service, which affects the success of all of the above. There's no need to tell you how hard it is to get a new customer, but to lose a loyal customer is tragic. So you need to make sure your customer service experience is the very best it can be. And that's why we at Brightbox Solutions created Help Desk Premier. Help Desk Premier isn't some run-of-the-mill help desk product. It's a more advanced, yet simpler to use application, and less expensive. Help Desk Premier installs easily on any Windows operating system. The app is completely customizable and allows you to manage a ticket through its entire life cycle, and it can easily adapt to the nature of your industry. Help Desk Premier is your solution to streamlining the help desk process. How? It's flexible, adjusting to the size and scope of your business. Use only the features that you need and add more resources as your business changes. And Help Desk Premier keeps track of customer history, ticket activities, and it escalates incidents automatically based on rules that you define. Help Desk Premier will help you retain more customers and keep help desk costs down. So don't lose another customer. Start providing the very best help desk experience available for your business. Just contact us now for your Help Desk Premier demo and free trial today. Help Desk Premier. It's help desk simplified.